Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am getting a drag today and I am going to film it, well, bits of it, but I thought I would, kill two birds, because I'm constantly thinking about content now because I'm like a YouTuber, about my nails, as a little drag hack, my drag hack. It's not like, I'm not drag Jesus. I can't do drag without nails now. Like, I don't feel complete. I love the fantasy of having a full set of glamorous nails. And at first I was like getting like ones from the chemist or like Priceline or whatever, they were already like pre-done, and it was like costing me a fortune, and like, you only get a couple wears out of them and blah, blah, blah. And so I discovered this little hack on eBay, where I just go in and I just buy nails in bulk. Just clear nails. They're like $6 for like 600 nails. And they come in these little bags that are numbered. And you just find which bag fits what finger. And then I write thumb. Or pinky. So I know exactly what pointer. What nail goes on what finger. And then you do end up with a lot of nails left over that don't fit. But I don't throw them out because, I don't want to be wasteful, but also you never know when you're going to need nails and you run out and you think, oh well, I'm just going to put a thumb on a pinky. I'm all thumbs. And I don't know, you just go on eBay and just look for nails and find them that have, bulk. Easy. It's hardly a hack. It's very common sense. And I have got my, I don't know if you can see this, my array of very cheap nail polishes. I've got some nice ones. I've got some ice cream nails in here, which I must get more of them because it's really good stuff. So, but I find with nails, you actually don't need good quality nail polish because, it doesn't matter how long it takes to dry. You can really just, just build it up and just let them sit and just go. I guess when you got your own nails, you want to have like it really fast drying and good quality, so you're not touching stuff and blah, blah, blah. But with these, it's easy. So I've got these little things, little tester things that you get. Got them on eBay's as well. I've got two of them, but they put blue tack on the edges. And then I just go through, actually I don't need all this out here. Hold on a second. I'm gonna use this color from Ice Cream Nails, and I'm gonna put some glitter over it because I'm wearing this. And that's what I'm gonna match it to. So let me get rid of all this shit. Can you see the table? So, here's my thumb. This all felt very self-explanatory. It's not rocket science, guys. Put the thumb down. I get the pointer. Okay. You don't need to see this. Fast forward. Okay, now once I've got that, they have this little nick thing on the top, like where it's been joined, the plastic's been connected to the mold, whatever it is. So, I mean, you could leave that, but it takes 2 seconds to file that down, and then you're gonna snap and everything. Very quick, very easy. Then you just paint them. Look, I know that seems really simple, and it is really simple, and it probably isn't really worthy of doing a video about, but sometimes you think those little tips and tricks help. So maybe they helped. Look, I don't like to be wasteful, and I have a lot of respect for the planet, and I have a lot of respect for Greta, and she wouldn't be happy about the fact that I kind of only need to get one. I maybe get 2 uses out of these. I find that once the glue's gone on them and they've been stuck once, you don't get a very good seal and then they pop off really easily. It's fine when I'm at home and doing stuff, you know, COVID's been, you know, great, but if I'm going out for a really long night and I want my nails down all night, then I kind of have to have a fresh set. So it is a bit bad that it's only, I kind of do view them as being single purpose, single use only. But in saying that, I do get more than one wear out of them. But look, that's it. I probably only needed to do one coat on these, to be honest, because I'm gonna put glitter over it. But you know, like I thought we're on camera, we may as well do it properly, you know. We're gonna do our best, darling. So. Oh, glamour. Look, I tell you what. It's such a simple thing. I went through a phase and I tried to do like all the different glamorous things with nails, like foil and like, you know what, just a nail polish and a glitter. Just make it simple. It's like just one element. If someone's judging you based on your nails, then, you know, you're doing something wrong, honey, because the focus point's in the wrong spot. But, oh, I forgot to say as well, like, I like oval. There's all different shapes. I like oval. I feel like oval's a nice, glamorous extension to my hand. I found it quite like 80s and not too long. So that's my nail thing. Well, that's fucked now. Hi there. Okay, so clearly I'm in full drag. Well, not quite full drag because I have got my jammies on. From the waist down. I mean, full drag from the waist down. Well, not yet. I haven't got bracelets on yet. But anyway, while I was showing you nails, I thought I would just like show you my gluing technique because it's very simple, but it's like it does, you know, help. So I just did one, but I realized I did it off camera because the camera was tilted too much. Anyway, I just used normal nail glue from the supermarket, but actual nail glue. And this one's Nailene, ultra quick glue nails. That's it. Yeah, and I buy like all of them. Whenever I need nail glue, I go to the supermarket and I buy every single one that's there, and then I've got them for ages. So, if you want to have nails that stay on all night, let me move you. I do glue and put it over the whole bed. Don't need a huge amount, you just need to cover the entire bed of your nail and then hold it on. And that will keep your nail on all night. Well, ish. Because it creates like a seal and it really holds it on. So I'm gonna do one, well, I've done two now. I've done both my thumbs. They're not coming off tonight. But I wanted to show you that. But then all the other times, like now, I'm just gonna do like a little dot in the middle. Because I don't need this all night. I just want them on for a little while. But the secret is, if you want them on all night, to cover the entire bed with glue. And don't use super glue. Don't make the mistake. Super glue is not designed. It is kind of the same thing, but it's not. Nail glue is designed for nails. So you may as well do what it's designed to do. Once again, just a little dot in the middle. And then I'll be able to pick them off. That's my nail technique, guys. Oh, I'm trying to get stuck together. Bye.
Wigs by Vanity. This is my wigs. I don't wear hair.